Just me and my kicks, 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 me and my kicks.
What is going on, YouTube? It's your favorite YouTuber, me and my kicks, coming at you with another detailed review and on foot of the Adidas Yeezy Boost 700 Wave Runner Edition, man. Stay tuned. Getting into the details of the shoe comprises of suede, leather, and also mesh on the upper. As you get to the lateral side of the shoe, you have like this hunter green, then it goes down into that black, and this black right here is made of suede, and this like green right here is made of like that mesh I was talking about. As far as like the quality of the suede, it's okay. It's not the best suede, could have been better, but getting right to here, it's like a light gray mesh, and gets up here to this like gray leather. As far as like the quality on this leather though, this quality is pretty decent. Then you get back to like this black right here, and it's back to the suede. And these two pieces right here are made of 3M, so when you hit it with a photographer flash, it shines back at you. Since these are running shoes, they had to add that 3M in there, so when you run with them on, like you can be seen at night by cars and stuff like that. And then getting down to the midsole, you got that standard 700 midsole. You got this crazy like 90s looking design in the back with these two little like ovals right here. Like it's like real crazy looking. And getting towards the back of the shoe, you have some gray suede right here. Where these holes are, it's also 3M, so when you shine the flash on it, it'll reflect back at you. Then getting back down to that like off-white cream color midsole. Then as you look to the medial side of the shoe, it looks basically exactly like the lateral side of the shoe. Getting into the lacing system of the shoe, it's just your standard Adidas Yeezy 700 lacing. Right here is some more like gray suede, pretty nice. Then you get up into that mesh material, and the color right here is more of like a teal, rather than this part is a green, this is a teal. So the color combination is crazy. You got teal, like hunter green with the gray, and then you got like this neon yellow type lace. Also, one thing to note is that this part is 3M, and this lace holder right here is also 3M as well. So a couple of little decent 3M hits on the shoe. But as I told you, like these laces are like a lime yellow or like a light yellow. As far as like what the laces come with, they don't really come with anything, just standard laces, nothing on the lace tips, nothing like that. And as you can see, there's nothing really on the tongue, nothing on the back of the tongue, nothing really on the inside of the shoe. And as far as the insole goes, the insole is a light gray with the Adidas logo painted in black. As you can see with this outsole right here, it's your standard Yeezy Boost 700 outsole. And right here is where the Boost protrudes out the shoe. So that just lets you know that this shoe does come with Boost technology. As far as sizing go with this shoe, I would suggest going a half size up if you have a fat or a wide foot. If you have a narrow foot, you can definitely go true to size in these shoes. As far as comfort goes with this shoe, it's definitely a pretty comfortable shoe. When I was doing it on foot, they were comfortable to the foot. As you know, these shoes come with Boost technology, and that's like one of the most comfortable technologies out there in the market right now. So as far as like if you wanted to like wear this to work, like, or if you had a job in which you were standing around all day, you can definitely use this shoe. As far as like a hierarchy when it comes to Ultra Boost comfort, obviously the Adidas Ultra Boost, that's like the most comfortable in my opinion. Then a slight notch below that, you have the Adidas EQTs. Then right below that, you have these or the Yeezy Boost. Like in my opinion, these are just as comfortable as like the Yeezy Boost 350s, V2s. So with this shoe, you won't have like an extra layer of comfort, nor will you like downgrade yourself in comfort. These shoes retail at $300, and how I came across my pair was when these released last year, I struck out. I always wanted to like have these in hand just to see how they look. I'm not a real like big fan of dad shoes, and this is like the ultimate dad shoe right here. Kanye West knew what he was doing when he made these shoes. Like the new trend is like getting these like thick sole dad shoes with the real bulky midsole and stuff like that. I'm not really a fan of them, but with these, since they had like Boost technology, I had to go and see it for myself. They recently restocked like a week or two ago on Yeezy Supply and also Adidas. So I want to say they released around like 2-3 a.m. on Yeezy Supply. I was up around that time, so I just added the cart and checked out, no problem. And I got these in a couple of days, so I'm definitely glad to have gotten this shoe for retail. Also, if anyone wanted these shoes, it was a lot of pairs that went out during this restock. So if you didn't get this pair for retail, shame on you. You definitely had to be snoozing. But since there's so many like new pairs out, like the resale price of these has gone down. Like you can probably get these for like $350, $400. So that's not that much over retail as opposed to last year when these were selling for like $800. $1,000 bucks. So anyways, if you want this shoe, you shouldn't have a hard time getting it for a decent price. Now without further ado, here's an on-foot look of the Adidas Yeezy Boost 700 Wave Runners. Box details like that, but since this is a Yeezy and there are a lot of fakes out there, I'll go ahead and like show you how my box looks. It says 700 on top as opposed to it saying 350 with the 350s. You got the Adidas sign right there, got the Boost, then it says Yeezy Boost 700, and lastly here's the box tag. Go ahead and check that out. See if it like matches up with yours if you did not get it from Yeezy Supply or Adidas.com. But that is the box. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching this video today. I really do appreciate it. Smash that like button if you like this video. Also comment down below if you got a chance to get these shoes over the past restock. Just comment that down below and we can chop it up in the comment section. Also, if you aren't subscribed to the channel, what are you doing, man? Hit that subscribe button. It takes nothing but a couple seconds and you'll be notified when I drop future videos. And lastly, peace.